Our lunch for today. Naunsa naman ning ko ano ay nabungkag naman ang akong kaing laden. What is that daw? Ayo open wawakaw because I'm busy. Anunan. My God, no lights for today. Myself. Oh my God. Wait, guys. Hindi ba? Anunan. My God, the light, it's not good for today. Myself, binukugan na pork with banana and feature. Diba? The light is not paying the miracle. Oh my God. Yeah. It's done to cook. Sayonara, babush. Thank you for watching my cooking. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, what happening to my soup? The sanglad is bungkagin. Babush, sayonara. Mabuhay king lahat.